Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to keep full warranty from roofers if you installing solar panels and replacing the roof at the same time. We have two different mounts. First, we're using when roof is done, when roof is installed, or homeowner not replacing the roof. We installed one type of mounts. In this case, the parts of the roof where we did install solar, the warranty from roofers will be voided, and we solar installers, we will provide our warranty for leaking. The second type of mounts we can install at the same time when roofing being replaced, and with this type of mounts, roofers will provide full warranty. And let me show you two of these mounts. So here's the first type of mount. It's IronRidge Qbase 2. And this one we install when roof is not being replaced or we have roof in a place. So what we do, we insert this metal flashing under one level of shingles. We'll put sealant right here, and then we'll drill through this hole to the rafter to attach this mount to the rafter. We're using these lock bolts. In this case, roofers will void warranty, of course, because we are drilling the roof, and we're gonna provide the warranty. When we install all of this, we are attaching this L-foot, attaching racking, and installing solar panels. This is standard type we're using maybe like 70% of the time, and that one we can use when roof is being replaced. How this one works, when roofers removing old shingles and install underlayment, so we're solar installers, we're gonna come to the site and install these Qbases. And the name for this mount is a quick mount PV, and here's a model. This is for shingles roof. And we're gonna install all of these bases for future solar panels and racking onto the roof, attach this to the roof, and we will leave roofers with metal flashings and these rubber pieces. So what's gonna happen when we have underlayment, they're gonna start installing shingles layer by layer. And then when they're going to be at this point, they will install shingles at the bottom of this mount. And then when they install a second layer of shingles, they will install this metal flashing. And when roofers installing this metal flashing, they will provide full warranty for the roof. So then we'll install this rubber gasket, and here's our mount. Of course, those mounts a little bit more expensive and roofers charging additional fees, but in this case, roofers providing full warranty for your roof. Now let's see how this is installed in real life. Now we are at the client location, and as you can see, the old shingles were removed and we are installing Qbases on the underlayment. And we did install all of them, so now we're just gonna leave flashings to the roofers and we're gonna come back when roof is finished. Few days later, roofers did finish the roof, pass inspection, and now we're going to install rails and solar panels. And this project was removal and reinstallation for existing solar system, so everything is installed back. Alright guys, as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.